Hello, my name is Kumud Gandhi, and here at the Cooking Academy we sell a number of multi-award winning spice blends. One of the most popular spice blends is this Chilli and Fennel spice blend. It is a fantastic midweek supper, get out of jail, and it's so super delicious and easy and quick to put together. And here in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use it. To start, I'm going to suggest that you have a bowl, some oil and some lemons or lemon juice. I always start, when I'm making a blend, I always start with the liquids in the bowl first. So I'm going to start by adding just a tablespoon of oil. I'm using a rapeseed oil into the bowl. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon, and I'm going to roll the lemon first in order to ensure that when I squeeze it, the juice falls out really easily. So I'm just going to cut this in half, shake out the pip, and then have my bowl ready and just literally squeeze a tablespoon into here. I need to fish out the pip, it always comes out. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of the spice blend. So here's the packet, and I'm actually just going to take 1 tablespoon of the spice blend, add it in, mix it around the bowl, and then you're going to finish with just a little pinch of coriander. And I've got some fresh coriander here, which I'm just going to chop up. So a 3-finger pinch of coriander goes into the bowl, give it another stir. And then after this, I'm going to add 200 grams of chicken. Now I'm using thigh chicken because I find that to be the most moist and succulent. So throw that in and then give it a good mix around. I've just got a spatula here. So mix it in very well and be very robust about it to make sure that it's all spread all over the chicken nicely. Now you have a choice. You can either just cook this straight away, or you could leave this to marinate for half an hour. And if you were marinating just for a short time, anything up to an hour, then I suggest that you could leave it at room temperature, and that would be okay, because the temperature, the ambient temperature, would help the spices to actually absorb into the chicken. So you're going to get more flavour. Whereas if you put it in the fridge, it's going to start to really kind of be too cold, and the spices will start to chill up again. So this is nicely mixed, and this is ready to use. You can put this straight onto a cold pan. You don't need to heat the pan up. You can thread it onto some skewers and put it straight onto the barbecue, or you could put it into the oven on an oven tray and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. The trick to cooking this chicken is to cook it low and slow, so that you've got it on a low heat and cook it slowly, and spread out the pieces so that they're not touching each other. That will ensure you get a nice crispy glaze to it. You want to cook it from the inside out, so that, in other words, it's cooking and it cooks thoroughly on the inside, and then as it finishes in those last few minutes, it's going to crisp up on the outside. And then maybe about halfway through, after about 5 or 6 minutes, turn it over so that you've got a nice even crispiness on both sides. I hope you enjoy making it at home, and come back and visit us here on our YouTube channel, or of course at the Cooking Academy.